What is numerology and does it really work? Before we start, click the first link in the description to get your free personalized numerology report. Numerology is the belief and teaching that numbers have a certain vibrational frequency to them, and that they have special spiritual meaning that people can use in order to guide their lives. It was Pythagoras, a Greek philosopher from around 2,500 years ago, who is the father of modern-day numerology. He believed that everything could be explained through numbers, and he used mathematics to support spiritual understandings. But wait a second, you say. I learned about that guy in my geometry class. Yes, that's true. Pythagoras is also known for discovering the Pythagorean theorem, which states that the area of the square whose side is the hypotenuse, the side opposite the right angle, is equal to the sum of the areas of the squares on the other two sides. In other words, A2 plus B2 equals C2. The fact that he was smart enough to create this theorem would seem to indicate that he might be right about numerology. In this article, that's what we are going to cover. Numerology basics. Basically, in numerology, numbers 1 through 9 are only used, with the exception of 11, 22, and 33. 11, 22 and 33 are considered to be master numbers, with special meaning. 1 through 9 are all supposed to have their various meanings as to who you are, what lessons you are here to learn, what tools you were given, and so forth. There are two main numerology methods. One is the life path number using your date of birth, and the other is your destiny number using your full name given at birth. Life path number, date of birth method, here is where the problem already starts. Many numerologists do this wrong, according to the experts. How? They add up all of the digits in a birthday all at once, and then reduce that number by adding the digits. For example, if your birthday was June 23, 1962, in this incorrect way, you would add 6 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 9 plus 6 plus 2. That gives you 29, which must be added 2 plus 9, in order to reduce it to a single digit, which gives you 11, 2 plus 9. Since 11 is a master number, you don't reduce it anymore to a 2. So, this person with this birthday of June 23, 1962 would think, great. I'm an 11. I'm a master. But that's not the right way to calculate it, according to some experts. The proper way is to separate the month, day and year. Month equals 6. Day equals 23. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Year equals 18. 1 plus 8 equals 9. The final number when you separate the month, day and year would be 6 plus 5 plus 9, which is 20. This reduces to 2 because 2 plus 0 equals 2. So is this person a master 11, or just a lowly 2? It depends upon who you ask. Destiny number, the name method. According to numerologists, you convert the letters in your name to numbers in order to determine your destiny number. Every letter in the alphabet is supposed to have a corresponding numeric value. All you have to do is to convert the letters in your name to the number equivalent and then add them up. But you must use the name you were given at birth. Here is a chart to help you. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. So, if your name is John Smith and you didn't have a middle name, you would add it as follows. JOHNSMITH. 1 plus 6 plus 8 plus 5 plus 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 2 plus 8 equals 44. 4 plus 4 equals 8. So, John would have a destiny number of 8. Then what you would do is to look up what number 8 would be for the description of what a number 8 life path is. The law of attraction, numerology conflict. The problem is that the teachings from the law of attraction do not exactly fit with the teachings from numerology. Let's start with where they do agree. According to them both, everything is vibration, including numbers and letters. Have you ever seen the number 1111 on your clock? According to law of attraction, that means that you are in alignment with the universe. And some would say that when this happens, immediately stop and think of what you were just thinking, because whatever thought you just had was in alignment with the universe. When you start to believe that these numbers have special meaning, you create that reality. And then you will see it more and more. You may start seeing other times like 111, 222, 333, 444, and 555. Some believe that these numbers have special meaning. But the truth is that whatever meaning you assign to them, the universe will agree with you and communicate with you that way. Now, let's cover where law of attraction and numerology disagree. Law of attraction teaches us that everyone is a powerful, spiritual being having a human existence. It also teaches that you didn't come here in order to serve some kind of a penance for being a bad person in a past life. Isn't that good news? A lot of these teachers of numerology and astrology believe in karma in the sense that you may be condemned to live a difficult life because you were bad in a past life and still have some kind of a lesson to learn. But according to law of attraction, that's not true at all. The point is that if your inner being wouldn't ever even think one single negative thought about you, what are the chances that it would send you back to Earth in order to force you to suffer on purpose? There is no chance. That's the point. Belief trumps everything. You may figure out your life path number, then read about its description on the internet and it may seem to fit perfectly. If it does, great. As a rule of thumb, whether it be astrology or numerology, only believe the stuff that feels good. In other words, belief is more powerful than anything else. If you believe in this stuff and it feels good to you, then by all means do so. But if it doesn't, then don't. Here's the point. You are so powerful that you can make numerology true. With the power of your thoughts, you can make anything true. So, why do you need to try to figure out who you are? Instead of thinking, who am I, why not think, who do I want to be? According to the law of attraction, you are a powerful, spiritual being in a human existence. The purpose of life is joy. And the basis of life is freedom. Everything else, you create. The point is that your belief is much more powerful than anything else. Same thing with your destiny number. If it seems right, great. If it doesn't, then don't believe in it. With both psychics and numerology, don't let someone else tell you who you are. You aren't just the creator of your house, your car, your career and your life. You are the creator of you. No one else is. Destiny versus creation. This whole controversy can be summarized by asking this question. Are we destined to live a certain life? Or do we really have full control? People who believe in destiny seek out psychics. People who believe they have the power to create their reality seek out joyful experiences, love and happiness. One wants someone else to tell them who they are and what to do, while the other is aware of their true power to create their own reality. Who would you rather be? Psychics are probability experts. They know how to read energy, they know how to read where you are likely to go. In other words, they know what is probable if you do not change your beliefs or your direction in life. But free will is what we all have, and they know it. This is why no psychic is 100% accurate every time. You aren't destined to live a great life, or a horrible one. It's your choice. It's your decision. Summary. So, does numerology really work? The short answer is, not really. But if you believe in it enough, you can actually make it true. It can be fun to see what your life pattern number is, and your destiny number. It may totally resonate with you. Just remember that you are in total control and you can create yourself to be whoever you want to be. You are that powerful.